Look at the interior. Alright, so inside we have power mirrors, power windows, and power door locks. Manual seat adjust with driver's lumbar adjustment. On the dash, 4-wheel drive lock and ESC off. Alright, so we're going to pan through the interior. Cruise control is mounted on the steering wheel. This vehicle currently has 76,124 miles on it. Moving down the dash, you have your clock. Also have your radio with CD player, MP3 readback, and Sirius satellite radio. Air conditioning. Looking underneath the console, you have a 12-volt power point and dual cup holders. Also have your 5-speed manual transmission.